Ladies and gentlemen, it is time. This is probably, I don't know, it's probably one of the coolest mods that hopefully I do to the car. I still have a stock intake, but hopefully I can hear some of this flutter. Everyone's gone. It was nice. We did Mike's, and then we just went for a drive, and he has the Cobb intake, so it sounds fucking phenomenal, and he was really excited with it. Brandon is a real one. He's sticking around. He's gonna help me install this, because I was like, oh, it shouldn't be that long, but you know, we say that, and then
Wait, but what else do you have?
What?
Your other thing.
Yeah.
Are you not putting something else
I
on?
mean, well, I was more wanting to do this one. We did Christmas early. Mike and Kennedy are not going to be here for Christmas. They're going to be in California. They're going to visit his family. And Mike gifted me with these fender shrouds from GrimmSpeed, which are going to go nicely here. But we're going to hold off on this. We're going to do this bypass valve first. So I hear whooshy sounds. Alright, you just need a bolts off. Fingerless. Yeah. Pull off this vacuum line.
Oh, what'd you do? Twist it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Ooh, can you see, Karen, or is it kind of dark?
You can see it.
Careful of this over here.
Alright. Got it separated. Here, pull that gasket off. Ooh. You see it? Where'd it go? Oh, I see it. Let me see this.
You're recording, right?
Take the camera. Hold on. Yeah. Oh no. A little bit. You want to try sliding it down? You should like grab it and then twist it this way so that way you can wiggle it out. Oops. Rock it this way.
Are you able to pull it out? Got the OEM bypass valve off. What we did was slide the clamp back, and then I used like a pry tool that I have for like interior, because I didn't want to put like a flathead in here and then gouge that hose. But there's these two Phillips here on the bypass valve. You need to remove both of these because this part is going to go onto the new bypass valve, and that goes right back down in there. Put it on, vacuum hose. I don't want to stress it.
Yeah, this one's better. That one was spinning in there. Small one.
Yeah.
Doors closed tomorrow. I'm sure they
Yeah,
got.
places are closed and you can't get parts.
All right. This little valve is going to go on the new one. Down here. Down one at a time. I was able to break one of these loose with a Phillips screwdriver, and then the other was just a little too tight, so I used power drill, just kind of at a medium setting, and we were able to break that torque with it. Just make sure not to cross thread these. Shit. Yeah, I should just do it by hand then. Other side over here. Do you have any alcohol? I was gonna wipe down that, but no, I don't think I have to.
No.
It's in there now, just get it all the way out. After a lot of struggle, we got it on there. I've seen videos where people had to remove the intercooler. You don't have to remove it, but it would definitely maybe make it a little easier. But you just got to have some patience with this clamp. Make sure you get it on like this left side if it's not already. Like mine, it was kind of facing the right side, kind of like underneath the bypass valve. So we just squeezed it, made sure we got it here because you've got more room to work with vice grips or pliers. Put the hose down, put this hose over the valve, and then just take your time working this this clamp. You've got to make sure that you're coming up even, like all around. Otherwise, like if you grab it and you start pulling, it's gonna get kinked, and that's where we were getting caught up on. But it is on there now. I did remove this line here. Just here and here is bolts, just so we could lift it up out of the way. As you can see, there's like some marks here. It does no damage to the car, just like aesthetically, but that's something that can be replaced with like an air oil separator. But it's on there now. I'm just gonna make sure it's tight, and then me and Brandon are gonna go for a drive real quick and see what it sounds like.